Here go part 2, y'all. What's going on, YouTube? Here go part 2. You know, we out here real quick looking crazy. Thanks, baby. He just walked right past security. And my phone finna die, though. We're gonna get, let me see, my phone finna die. 3 for 5. Just get one. Well, actually, could just get 3. Comment, subscribe. Oh yeah, we alright done. Now we're gonna go over here and get this. She's looking crazy. Dang. We might have to just get that at one more time. Let's just grab that. Oh yeah. Hey, how you doing? Do mama got some medicine? You just get that. Oh, you closed?
We're gonna close in 1 moment.
Oh, Stacey Owens? Get Miles medicine real quick. 6660. My ID right here.
No, it's just her mother's though.
Okay, because you know who I am. Yeah, okay.
No, I just don't need an ID.
Oh, okay,
Just
okay.
for the
Yeah.
control medication.
Thank you.
Can I get her date of birth?
6660.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a good night, all right? Thank you. How you doing, brother? You ready, baby? Got the medicine. Excuse me. Excuse me, sorry about that. How you doing? No security. How you doing? Good to see you. I just got the medicine. What's the total? Thank you.
Some people come with time. Actually, we come in a minute.
Oh, I thought you had to use your card. I didn't know. Sorry about that.
I thought you were about to use yours.
No, I can.
You don't
have enough on your card?
I do.
What you giving her money for?
Thank you. You have a great night, all right? Thank you.
I ain't know who y'all was again, man. You see this shit, man? Look
This
at
is on
dude.
YouTube.
He like about to rob himself,
This is
y'all.
my man right
He
here.
don't rob me.
No,
okay.
they know who I am.
I know.
They know who I am.
What's up?
It's on YouTube,
All right,
man.
Good dude. All right. It's all good, bro.